1. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and 2 of them stop beating when they swim. 2 branchial hearts pump blood to the gills, while the 3rd heart circulates it to the rest of the body. When an octopus swims, the main heart pauses, which is why they prefer crawling and conserve energy. 2. Bananas are technically berries, while strawberries are not. Botanically, a berry must develop from a single ovary and contain seeds inside. Bananas meet this criterion, but strawberries develop from a flower with multiple ovaries, making them an aggregate fruit. 3. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller during summer due to metal expansion. When the iron in the structure heats up under the summer sun, it expands, adding up to 6 inches in height temporarily before contracting again in colder months. 4. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins can. A sloth can slow its heart rate and hold its breath for up to 40 minutes underwater, whereas a dolphin typically surfaces every 10 to 15 minutes to breathe. 5. Honey never spoils and has been found edible in ancient Egyptian tombs. Its low moisture content and high acidity create an inhospitable environment for bacteria and mold, making properly sealed honey last indefinitely. 6. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to complete a rotation on its axis, while it orbits the Sun in just about 225 Earth days, making a day longer than a year. 7. Cows are best friends and can become stressed when separated. Studies show that cows form deep bonds and exhibit lower heart rates and reduce stress when they're with their preferred companions. 8. Wombat poop is cube-shaped to prevent it from rolling away. The unique shape helps mark territory by keeping the feces from rolling off rocks and logs. The elasticity of their intestines creates the cube formation. 9. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth every year. It's receding at about 3.8 centimeters per year, which affects tides and the Earth's rotation. In millions of years, total solar eclipses will no longer occur. 10. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to avoid drifting apart. This behavior, often called rafting, helps keep groups of otters together and prevents them from floating away in the ocean current during naps. 11. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. The name reflects both their vivid coloration and dramatic behavior. Flamingos are social birds and often engage in synchronized group dances. 12. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. Certain species, like the Fitzroy River turtle, use cloacal respiration, absorbing oxygen through blood-rich areas in their rear ends during long dives. 13. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. While the Milky Way has an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars, Earth is home to about 3 trillion trees, according to satellite data. 14. The heart of a blue whale is the size of a small car. It weighs around 400 pounds and beats so powerfully that it can be heard from over 2 miles away underwater. The aorta is large enough for a child to crawl through. 15. Penguins propose to their mates with pebbles. Male gender penguins often select the smoothest pebble they can find and offer it to a female as a courtship gesture, placing it in her nest. 16. An octopus can taste with its arms. Each arm is covered in chemoreceptors, allowing the octopus to sense chemicals and flavors directly through contact with surfaces and prey. 17. Rain has a smell, and it's caused by a compound called geosmin. Geosmin is produced by soil-dwelling bacteria and released when raindrops hit the ground, creating the earthy scent many people associate with fresh rain. 18. The fingerprint of koalas are so similar to humans that they can confuse crime scenes. Even under a microscope, koala prints are almost indistinguishable from human ones, potentially leading to forensic mix-ups if they ever walk through a crime scene. 19. A shrimp's heart is located in its head. Positioned near the head and just behind the brain, the shrimp's heart sits in the thorax region, protected by its exoskeleton. 20. The human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. Though once believed to detect only about 10,000 smells, recent research shows the nose can distinguish between an astonishing range of scent combinations.